Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Good, thank you. And you?
Yeah, very good. Very good. So, what have the markets been doing overnight, eh?
Yeah, all the way down again. And
Look at that. Yeah, absolutely, Mateus. So, let's have a look. See what the day's been doing since it opened. So we had a great buying day yesterday, and today it's gone back and virtually taken that out. Apart from the top, it's been to the bottom. It's somewhere
do,
there. So
do
that's
you
our
want
day
to
chart now, right?
share your shot?
Oh, my apologies. I thought I'd done that already.
No.
Getting ahead of myself this morning. Here we go. Right, let's start again. So, big day today. NFP, non-farm payroll. What that means is it's how many jobs has the non-farming sector of the United States created. That moves markets. Time to be careful. We may not get a lot of action before that happens. So that is the big news of the day. And there it is. Yeah, non-farm payroll, 1:30 this afternoon for the New York session. And so that's what's expected, and we'll see what the market does then. But we trade price action. So the day, like I said yesterday, was here, and today's here. So it's a selling day at this moment in time. And let's go to the 1 hour, see what the hours have been doing since the market opened. So I was going to say, I bet the market opened here somewhere. There she is, open there, rose quite sharply up to 45.10ish, etc. And then all the way back down and down and down and down she came. Okay. So where are we on the 5 minutes? Yep, it's going up. And then on the 1 minute, it's going up too. Okay. So that's what we observe. Yeah. And that's where we're always at. Let me just have a look here. Okay, that's great. Morning, Petra. Hope you're well. Lovely to have you here. And so, Mateus, we want to go through what's been going on in terms of our machine learning signals and where we're at with that.
We buying. As you can see, the last hour we have been buying, and it's still a buy. We are nearly on GP1 already. Sorry, I have my hay fever very strong today.
Great, thank you.
44. My first TP on that one will be 56. Is on that range. Let's wait for another less than 1 minute. We'll be able to generate a new trading card.
So the trading cards come about every 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or the hour. And it's complete machine learning. They take millions of data points to give us some probabilities of where the market's going to go. Remember, regardless of who's doing this for you, nobody actually knows. So when we get our traditional trading team, which we still have, if you want to use them, no problem at all. They are reading charts and looking at order flows and mechanical systems that they've developed over years and years and years. Machine learning is no different, except it doesn't have any emotion and it does it 23 hours a day. As a human being, that's just impossible. Just can't do that at all. So that's where we're at with all of that. And that's what Mateus is referring to if it's the first time that you're here.
We're refreshing, and as you can see, it's still a strong buy. It's still a strong buy. I'm on GP1 on my last one. You have the range. You know what you need to do. Enter on that range and protect yourself, okay, as soon as you can. Uh,
Let's shoot.
I tried to mute myself, but didn't have time. Just one sec, I come back now. Just protect yourself, guys. As soon as you're in profit, book your profits, okay? Okay, still on the range. Didn't went to TP1 yet. It's still on that range, okay? If you're on the trade, as soon as you're in profit, protect yourself. If you put the 1 hour, you will see we are on the top, trying to break it through. At some point, we'll break it through and we'll go up, okay? If it doesn't break, you need to have your stop loss. It's breaking now, TP1. It's breaking now, TP1, TP2 on the previous one. TP2, TP3. Come on, guys, book your profits. Move your stop loss to break even. TP2, TP3, TP3 on the previous one, TP2 on the last one. Book your profits. And if you have 2 entries, you can book your profits on TP1 in one of those, protect yourself, and leave the another one to go to TP3, TP4 if you want to, okay? If you do that all the time. Keep doing all the time. Mechanical approach. As you can see, we'll be able to refresh again. We have done TP3, TP2s, and it's going towards TP3 and TP4.
Beautiful. What a great start to the day. Give me 5, Matthias. I've just gone to talk to my contractors.
Okay, let's go again. Another buy. You have the range. Another buy. It's dropping a little bit. Wait for the range. Wait for the best range and go for it. Make sure you put your stop loss always, okay? As soon as you press the button, your stop loss needs to be there. Okay, profits again, TP1. TP1. Let's see if we can break that. Will be a potential TP4, TP5 for the previous ones. Still going up. Let's see if we break that 58, 60 will be TP5, TP4, and also will be TP2 on the last one. Now you should be at break even. Protect your capital. Remember, protect your capital. Break even. You book your profits and break even, okay? TP4 is coming there. TP4, TP5, and TP2. If you keep holding the bottom ones, you have now TP4. TP4, guys, TP5. Please book your profits. TP2 on the last one. TP2. Amazing rise. We broke that 1 hour. We broke that 1 hour. And now it's rising really nice. TP5. 62 will be TP5 on the previous ones. TP5, TP5. Come on, guys.
You're smashing it.
A lot of TPs can. Not a lot of TPs.
Beautiful.
If you keep holding that, that will be TP. A lot of TP5s for you now. And if you didn't hold, don't have the FOMO, don't enter now. Just wait for refresh again, okay? Book your profits. Book your profits. As you can see, a retracement now. Small retracement. But you're still on the trade if you have break even, okay? It's coming only to TP2 on the last one.
Really good trading again, right?
Yeah, very easy one now this morning, guys. I hope so you got that. We're breaking the points on the 1 hour as strong. We went to TP5s, and on the last one we went to TP3. We're back now on TP2. That is still, we have a strong buy now. It will be a good point to enter again. Another 20 seconds, we'll be able to refresh and get a new trading card. Wait for your best entry, and is another strong buy. Okay, another strong buy. There you go. TP2 straight away. Another strong buy, guys. TP2 straight away. Book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. Another TP2. Plenty of TP5s. So much TP4s. And another TP3. We are going towards TP3 on that one. Book your profits, TP3. TP3, potential TP4 if we break that 64. Potential TP4. Yeah.
That's the 5 minutes.
Guys, I hope you're booking your profits. Share with us If you had that easy morning, we have only the morning session today. If you have any questions, let us know. If you don't have the machine learning on your phone, you're missing out. Okay, let us know as well. As you can see, the price is retracing, it's not breaking there. We went already for TP3 on that one. TP3, I hope you book your profits. Be mindful, we have NFP today that will move the market for sure. If you can make your profits on this morning, like mornings like that, make it and enjoy your day. Don't keep chasing, okay? Okay, another 1 minute. We'll refresh again. Let's see what we have. For now, we are on TP3 on the last one, plenty of TP5s. If you book your profits, be grateful. If you're doing the strategy of placing 2 trades, one go for TP1, another one you keep hoping, you're booking a lot of profits this morning as well. I'm really happy for you. Okay, let's wait for the right moment. Another 50 seconds. Get ready. Have your trading view open. You can see the graphics very well by yourself. You're not relying on the graphic that we have on the screen. And have your trading card machine learning ready for refresh. Okay, you need to refresh by yourself. I will be not telling the numbers. I will just guide you through it. I will just help you. Okay, okay, all ready. Refresh and go for it. Refresh and go for it. You are on the range now. You are on the range. It's still telling you is a buy. It's still telling you is a buy. As you can see, a strong buy. If you enter on the right points, you're supposed to be in profits already. If you enter on your range, you are in profit already. It's coming back. Make sure you have your stop loss or hard stop, whatever you decide to use. You need to have that, okay? Hard stop, stop loss is non-negotiable. You need to have that all the time. As soon as you press the button, you need to put that stop loss. Okay, I'm booking some profits on that one. You struggle to push up. I will protect myself. I will book some profits and put my stop loss at break even. Okay, I'm in profits now. You're supposed to be in profit as well if you enter on the right time. I'm booking my profits and leave the rest to go to TP2, TP3, TP4, TP1. It's not TP1 yet, that one. But that's it. Profits getting is going towards TP1 now. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Stop loss to break even in everything, guys. You can do with your fingers. It's very fast. Don't miss out, okay? And book your profits. Oh.
Bless you, Tess. You okay? Coming down with a cold?
No, it's the hay fever. Very strong hay fever this morning.
Yeah.
That's
so here we go.
That's time of the
no,
year.
I'm going to reply to some of these beautiful messages. In Petra, 5 TPs hit. Yeah?
Well done. Well done. Great start. Well done. As you can see, it's going towards TP2 now. It's going towards TP2. It's on TP2 for me already. I'm still holding for TP3 on that one. I move my stop loss to break even. I already book my profits, okay? That's a potential TP3 for me. That's I'm holding. If you're happy with your profits, go for it. Take your profits, okay? Don't leave money on the table. I had plenty of TP5s already this morning. Very great start of the day. Excuse me for 1 second.
And Ian, you know, that's what it's all about. That what you said at the top, yeah, I'm heading out is absolutely how trading should be. Okay? It's here to serve you. You're not here to serve it. Okay? And that's what I want to see more of. Let's engage more. Let's actually talk to each other. It's not TV, right? Give us the feedback. Listen, we're not going to have every day is going to be this amazing in the sense that, you know, 8:25, you've done 2% for the day, and yesterday you were on the golf course and hit 1.65%. Absolutely fantastic figures. This is what this channel was created for you guys to come and do this with us. Eventually, you may decide, you know what, I'm okay, but then you may come for the community. Okay, every day 5, 6, 10 more people subscribe to the channel. Every day people find this. It's just pure education. So I'm really warms my heart to read messages like this. Wednesday morning, I think it was, that I was sitting down and my partner informed me that she had done her 10% for the week and didn't need to trade. 3 days, it took 3 days to do the 10%. So once you hit the target, and then especially days like today, you know, you may not want to trade. Okay? You may think, you know, it's NFP. Now, if you haven't made the money, then maybe you're forced to trade. It's like going to work when you don't really want to. So that's brilliant stuff. It's absolutely fantastic.
Guys, by the way, if you refresh, you'll be in a buy now, nearly on TP1. Book your profits, okay? nearly on TP1 again, is going up. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. We just need to break that 64 strong in order to carry on going up. Raising. Okay, is doing that. TP2. If you're still holding the tradings before, you are on TP3. TP2 now. You know what's the next step when you are in profit. What you need to do: move your stop loss to break even, protect your capital with scalping. We'll be able to generate a new trading card in the next few minutes, and you'll be able to be there again. Okay, don't have the FOMO. Just book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. We're breaking the 64. Let's see if we'll keep pushing. We'll be looking for 70, the next target now. 44.70 is the target. That will be TP4 and plenty of TP5s. Book your profits, don't leave the money there. We'll be able to refresh again now. If that is giving you TP2, that's fine. Let's wait for the next one. Okay, you struggle to push now. At some point we'll break through. At some point we'll break through and go up. If you want to hold, if you have a very good entry on those ones, you can keep holding on your break even. Don't move your stop loss yet. Just move your stop loss to break even if you want to hold. Okay, if you book some profits, stay there, because if you move straight away your stop loss on scalping, it's difficult for you to give that room for the trade. Okay, as you can see, it's going to TP3 now, TP4, some of TP5s, and we refreshing again. It's giving you a new enter to buy. It's still a very strong buy, as you can see on the numbers. 80, 66 and 91% is a very strong number, and we're having numbers like that all morning. I'm not updating you on the numbers, but if you refresh by yourself, you will see numbers like that. From 7 o'clock this morning, I start to see numbers like that already. Okay, you have your entry point. You have your stop loss. And that's it. If you put your stop loss, you put your entry. That's you need to do, okay? Protect your capital. The price is dropping. Be patient. Could be a retracement. By the way, no stop loss on all the call this morning. No stop loss. Plenty of TP4s, plenty of TP5s. You had your best entry on that one. If you wait for that best entry, you already have your best entry. Now it's going towards the targets, towards TP1. Soon you'll be able to book your profits. Now it's time to move your stop loss to break even if you can, and it starts booking your profits. Okay, it's going towards the target. We have been there on the top already. It's not really TP1 yet for me, but I took the profits. Took some profits already. Why? Because we need to break that point now. Okay, because we need to break that point. Could break straight away or could retrace as well. That's why I'm moving my stop loss to break even and book the profits. Okay, and you will see things like that, especially when we are on the top of now. Like you see, went nearby TP1 for me and it's retracing. I still on that trading. Let's see if it will give us fully TP1 on that one. But for now, if you are in profit, move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Okay.
Yeah, because what I was going to do is that. Really fun, man. That bathroom's done. When we get that bathroom done.
You still have your best entry on that one. Another 20 seconds we'll be able to generate a new trading card. That didn't went straight away to TP1, guys. Still hung in there. Protect yourself, okay? Book some profits and move your stop loss to break even. Of course, that is a potential goal to TP2, TP3, TP4. Always don't have that FOMO, don't have that mindset. Just refresh. And if it's still strong, like now, you can carry on the same trade if you want, or you can place a new one. Okay? You have new entries. More or less the same entry as before. More or less the same entries as before. Just be mindful, it's retracing now. Make sure you put your stop loss straight away. And wait for the best entry, okay? Wait for the best entry. If you have your best entry now, the stop loss will be like 10 pips, more or less. If it keeps dropping, that will take you out of the trade. If you want to use a hard stop, those are the moments I will be using hard stop, okay? Because the buy is still strong and is nearby the stop loss. It's going down, guys. Could be a rectification at least on that point now between 62 60. If you have your stop loss, you reach your stop loss. If you had your hard stop, you still have place there on that trade. Okay, that's the first one on the morning, first stop loss on the morning. Plenty of TP5s, plenty of TP4s, 3s, some of TP1s, but I'm on my hard stop on that one. Like I say to you, I saw the rectification. I'm with my hard stop on that one because I still think it's a strong buy.
Yeah.
Patience is the key. We'll be able to refresh again in another 1 minute. If you wait with me, you had a very good entry and you can start to move your stop loss and book your profits. Okay, if you are positive. If you're not positive yet, just wait for the break even. Still retracing. Let's refresh again, another 10 seconds. It's still a buy, not too strong for me yet anymore, but it's still a buy, okay? Because we had because we had plenty of buys, and it's just a retracement. I still going for that. Just being patient to the best entry on that one. I had one hard stop, and that's it for now, guys. One hard stop. And we had TP5s, TP4s, TP3s, a lot of TPs. We're having a retracement now. Good entry point if you wait for the best entry, especially when the candle is red and we are buying. Be patient, okay? Don't enter straight away. Okay, if you enter that one, you are positive. You know what you need to do. Nearly TP1 for me. Just book your profits. Okay, if you had a very good entry, like I had a very good entry, I enter around 60.50. As you can see, very nice TP1. Like I say, the buy is still strong. TP1, book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. Okay, TP2 is strong buy. TP2, hope you're booking your profits, moving your stop loss. Protect yourself, okay?
What a finish we have into the week. If you guys are not banging in 2, 3, 4% today, you don't have to trade for an FP.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
You don't have to worry about it. You can stop trading at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Yeah, actually, you can stop trading at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock before the New York even opens. And then you come back at 3 o'clock if you want to. But it's Friday
Okay.
afternoon.
Or you can stop trading 8:30 like Ian.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's such a pleasure when it all comes together like this. Love it. Absolutely love it.
And if you didn't book your profits, you see the price just dropping all the way again. Book your profits, guys. Don't leave the money there. Especially days like today, the market could be a little bit sharp. Be movements like very fast movements. And that is normal, is because of the news. That's one of the biggest news on the month in FP, okay? Mute yourself, a little bit of noise there. I just mute yourself, okay, Cap? As you can see, Khan still have contractors on his home. You can hear the noise. Just try to minimize a little bit of that for you guys. Okay. If you refresh, you buy now. You buy. It's too strong. Okay. Be fast and book your profits. Another TP. Another TP. That is one of the ones I like to see, like 74, 69, 83. Very strong. And the green candle was a green candle. When we refresh, you need to be fast. You need to press the button, okay? If we have a red candle, you be more patient. If it's a green, go for it and book your profits. As you can see, straight away to TP1. Straight away to TP1. You just need to move your stop loss to break even and make that trade a risk-free trading, okay? Make that trade a risk-free trading as soon as you can. Why? Because we are refreshing every 5 minutes. That means 12 candles, 12 refreshing every hour, 24 on the 2 hours we are here. It's plenty of opportunities for you to go, okay? And that means Most of them are going to TP1. Most of them. We had only one stop loss this morning until now. Okay. That went to TP1. If it's not the same for you because you've refreshed in different times, it's absolutely fine. Just keep booking profits. As soon as we're telling TP1, TP2, TP3, even if you are 10 pips away, 5 pips away, 3 pips away, book your profits. Get the habit of taking the profits, okay? That will help you massively, massively. Okay, another 2 minutes, we'll be able to refresh again. Don't need to rush, okay? If you miss, if you are at break even now, absolutely fine. As long as you book your profits already and you are risk-free now. You're not waiting for a stop loss or you're not waiting for hard stop, okay? That's the main goal. As you can see, I see it's still a strong buy. It's just the range that we are forming now. We struggle to push up because the last 2 hours candle is very strong on the buy. It's just a retracement now. We don't know where that can come back, but it's a potential still buy on my point of view. But like I said, always what we need to do, protect ourselves, use the stop loss and use the hard stop, okay? You decide which one you want to use, but keep using that all the time. As soon as you press the button, straight away, you need to protect yourself, put the stop loss. Okay, we're still on the buy. If you refresh with me, you're still on the buy. Price is retracing. As you can see, red candle, we wait a little bit. Wait for the best entry for that range, then you press the button. As you can see, price is dropping a little bit. Now we are on the range. Now you can decide to press the button and put your stop loss straight away, okay? Now is your time to decide, and you have, as you can see, some people tell me, oh, I don't have time to place the trades. You have time. You just need to don't overthink. Don't think about the small pipettes. Don't think about everything all the time. Just press the button and put your stop loss. Make that mechanical approach, okay? Make that mechanical approach and go for it. The potential is there all the time. Some of days will be harder to reach your target. Some of days will be so easy. In less than 1 hour, you reach your target already, okay? Most of you now is nearly finished our first hour. Most of you, if you did the right thing, you'll be over your target right now. Okay, and it's only the first hour of the session. then you need to decide what to do. Okay, what you want. Don't keep chasing. As you can see, if you overthink about things, you never do anything. Okay, better done than perfect. Okay, that is going towards TP1. Now you are positive. Now with time you can tell what you want to do on that trade now. If you have 2 entries, you can close one now, TP1, and hold the next one for TP2, TP3, TP4. And if you want to keep the 2 of them, absolutely fine, it's your risk. Move your stop loss to break even. Now you are risk free. Okay, if you're not risk free, if you're not doing those things, please start doing that. Okay, if you start doing that, you will see a massive change on your profits, a massive change in your how you manage your risk. As you can see, that went straight away to TP1, nearly TP2, and now is the time for you to really book your profits and don't leave the money there. It's retracing back all the way back. If you left your money on the table, I'm sorry, but I'm telling you, move your stop loss, book your profits. Don't keep doing that to yourself if you haven't. Okay, it's so simple. Click book profits. Everything nowadays, especially on MetaTrader 5, moving stop loss to break even is with your finger. You move, modify. Don't overthink. Move and modify. And the same with take profits. Click, close, take profit straight away. It's as simple as that, but you need to press the button. You need to book those profits. Okay, if you don't want to do the heavy lifting of keep pressing the button, you can have some money working for you on the algo trading that you can ask Khan. He will guide you on the algo trading as well. He's doing amazing for all the customers, and if you want to be part of it, you can as well. Okay, but here we're scalping, we're in and out and booking the profits. I really want you to keep booking your profits. Okay, as you can see, the price is coming back all the way. If you're refreshing now again, you'll be able to see your new trading card. And it's still more or less on the same range, the same price. You can go for it. Okay, it's still a strong buy. It's still a strong buy.
How it is?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Is the drilling okay?
It's okay. Look, they know you on the 2 last weeks of it. We survived.
8 weeks it's been.
We survived.
You survived. So, how are we doing?
Great. He's still ranging on that top now. Plenty of TP1s, and some of TP2s as well. The only thing I'm telling everyone, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. Because as you can see, if you don't do that with scalping, the price can retrace and get you out of it. The best thing,
absolutely.
The best thing, if you're patient, you enter on the range, you have only 10 or maximum 20 pips to stop loss. And
yeah,
we
100%.
had only one stop loss today. Plenty of TP5s, TP4s, TP3s, you can see all the results of the people on the group today.
Yeah, 100%.
Let me put your number here.
Just leave that for 1 second because I just want to do something.
Yeah. Okay.
If you take that off for 1 second, leave the previous message on.
Yeah.
Yeah? No? That's it. It's okay. Sorry, I'm lagging just a little bit behind. If you put the previous message up, Ian's.
Yeah.
There you go. Let that just come up. One second.
Yeah.
Okay, so that 2% for the day, Ian hit that at 8:30 this morning, and yesterday he hit 1.65% whilst he said he was on the golf course. That's what this is all about. Yeah, all the fluff and everything else, you can do and say what you want. Yeah, the fact is that we've got real people making real money with us. And that's what it's always been about, because we can talk well, right? Everybody can talk a good game, but very few people can actually deliver anything, right? And I can tell you one thing, you know, I know Ian very well. Yeah, I'll go as far as to say we're friends now because we have confidence in each other that, you know, he's a very, very motivated, highly successful businessman, and he's come to us to do something different because he wants to be on the golf course. That's all Ian wants to do is be on the golf course. And I think it's important to realize that there's a life for all of us. Yeah, everything. And if you're not in our community, if you're not in our ecosystem, if you're not in our family, then come and join us. You can put up whatever you like, Tess. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's wait for refresh. He's still on that range. He's still on the same range, and you have your stop loss there. We nearly reached TP1 on that one. Let's refresh again. It's still a buy, not as strong as before, but because we're having a lot of strong buys, you can go for it. You see the price came all the way to the range and is going up. It's going very well up, and is your TP1 there already? Book your TP and move your stop loss to break even. TP1 there. TP1 there. Just book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Okay. We have been trying to break that point on the bottom. We don't want to be stuck there. Okay. Just protect yourself, book your profits, and move that stop loss. You had a very good entry on that around 58, 59. A very good entry straight away to TP1 and is going towards TP2 now. TP2, book your profits, keep booking your profits. Your stop loss now is a risk-free trading. Risk-free trading needs to be on break even at least, okay? It's a risk-free trading for you now. TP2. And guys, it's going up. It's still going up. We were on the bottom of that range on the formation on the 1 minute, and we going straight away to TP2 already towards TP3. But your stop loss now, break even. You had plenty of time to move your stop loss and to book your profits, okay? Scalping, we in and out. Price is dropping again, as you can see. If you left the money on the table, you're saying to yourself, why? Don't be like that. Just book your profits. Okay, 61. We'll be able to refresh again on the next 1 minute. Okay, next 1 minute we're generating a new trading card, and that went straight away to TP2, nearly TP3 on that one. It's still on the range. If you are break even, it's still on that range. You still protect and you are risk free. Please tell me, put on the comments, I'm risk free, I'm booked the profits. Let's interact a little bit more, guys. We spent here 2 hours together. Don't be shy. Oh, that was strong. Can I just mute yourself? That was strong. That you celebrating the TPs. They are celebrating the TPs. Yes, yes. Okay, 61. Next 10 seconds, you'll be able to have a new trading card. Be ready. Refresh. When is the time? Having your trading view, your desktop version on the machine learning, and go for it. Just refresh, and if it's still strong as it is, a green candle, you know what to do. You press the button. Okay, if it's a red candle, you wait a little bit. Then what is the next step? When you press the button, you put your stop loss. Straight away your stop loss. That is non-negotiable. Please. Stop loss always, okay? That's non-negotiable. Your stop loss needs to be there. And then the next step is book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Then is a risk-free trading, and this is scalping. It's plenty of opportunities. Don't be afraid to be reaching break-evens. The break-even is there for some reason. It's to protect yourself, and it's the risk control, the risk that you having. Okay, you're learning how to protect your capital. That's the main thing. If you place that last trade, you have your stop loss. If you are in profits, You can decide to book some profits if you want and move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. Waiting for TP1 on that one. Is still in that small range. That went already nearby TP1. It's just retracing now.
Matthias,
Yeah.
this isn't stopping for a little while, so I'm going to go off. Once it stops, I'll come back to you guys, okay?
Okay.
Because I can't say what I want to say, and I can't actually think. So I'm going to have a cup of tea, okay?
Don't
See you
worry.
shortly.
Go
Cheers,
for it.
guys.
Okay, prices retracing. If you have your hard stop or your stop loss, that will be my second stop loss if it goes on that price now. My price is 59. 59 is my stop loss. If it goes there, I don't have emotions. I just wait for the next refresh time and that's it. Okay. That will be the second one if it goes there. But I'm absolutely fine with that. You can see time's flying. We'll be able to refresh again and have a new trading card. Is still the price fighting there on the bottom of that range. We'll see if it's still a strong buy. It's a buy for me, but it's not too strong. That can tell me is a possibility of changing direction. I will just keep my last trading. I will just update my stop loss on that. My stop loss, I will use the last one that I refresh. Instead to be 59, I will put 58. And that's it. It's going up, not strong as we want, but it's going up. Again, it's retracing. If it goes nearby 62, that is my TP1. I will book some profits straight away. Before that, it struggled to push up right now. It's low. I don't want to keep holding that trade. Okay. If it goes up to 61.50, around that area, I will move my stop loss to break even. If it comes back down, my stop loss is at 58 now. It's not a massive loss. If it goes there, that's the best thing when you're doing using the machine learning, the trading cards. The stop loss is very tiny. You can always play with that as well. 10 pips, 20 pips. And it's really giving you room to go for it. Again, it's testing the bottom of the range. We didn't break that yet. It's still pushing again up. Are you on sell? No, we are on buy. We are on buy. The last trading card on the 5 minutes was a buy. Okay, I'm booking that profits now. It's small, tiny profits, but I don't want to be on that trade for longer. He struggled to push up. He's trying to push down. Move my stop loss to break even and book some profits. Very tiny profits on that one, was nothing, but in other hand, I'm protect myself. Okay. As you can see, the range was very narrow. Stop loss was at 57.96 for me. I just put that straight away to 58. Try to make my life easier as well. I don't put the pipettes or things like that. It's still a buy. It's still a buy. Okay, we are on the range. It's not a sell. On the 5 minutes, it's not a sell. It's still a buy. Okay. We're still on that range. As you can see, the candle is getting down. You wait for it, then you place your trades on that range that you can see there, the best entry. Okay, and place your stop loss. It's more or less the same range as before, but maybe now you can get a better entry. Okay, exposure less yourself, because it's still fighting there to get down. You don't want to be there without stop loss if that goes all the way down again. If it goes up, you know what you need to do. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Just give me 1 sec. I'll be back now. If it's in profits, you know what you need to do. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Okay, it's going up now. 61, 62 is my TP1. As soon as you're there, move your stop loss to break even. Okay, It's very small movements. You can see on the 1 minute chart. Be patient. At some point we will break through down or up. That's why you need to have your stop loss. 62 TP1, booking your profits and move your stop loss to break even. That's how we do it. That's nearly TP2. Just need to be patient and protect yourself, because that could be going down as well, and you don't want to be on that trade if that goes down, okay? Because could be a potential retracement. We have NFP today, NFP at 1:30. Let me double check if it's 1:30 or not. I will be not on the market today 1:30, but yeah, NFP 1:30 today. We had plenty of TPs this morning. I hope everyone is booking your profits before NFP. You don't need to exposure yourself. Some people really like to trading on the news. I like as well, but you need to be mindful. You need to really protect yourself on the news, because it's huge movements sometimes. Yeah, 1:30. Thank you, Ingrid. 63. Okay, that is nearly TP2 for me. If you want to book more profits, now is the time. Nearly TP2. And nearly time to refresh. Glad I'm looking at it. Nearly time to refresh. Okay, it's still a buy. It's still a buy. That gives you a heads up to hold the bottom one if you're still there. You're still on the range. You're still on that range. It is still a buy. Not as strong as before, but it's still good numbers for me. Good entry point on that one for everyone. If you had time, great. If you don't chase. What you need to do as soon as you press the button, your stop loss, okay? Protect yourself. TP1, book your profits. If you're still holding the last one, you are TP3, TP4 for some of you. That went straight away to TP1. Great, easy one. Stop loss to break even with your finger. Modify, and that's it. Risk-free trading now. Okay, if you book some profits and your stop loss is at break even, is a risk-free trading. The previous one, we went to TP3, TP4. For some of you, it depends the time you refresh, okay? Don't worry about the TPs. Just keep booking your profits. If you have 2 entries on that one should be closed now, and the another one you put at break even. You can see that strategy is working for many of you. You're having 2 entries because it's easy to do with your finger. Pam, pam, 2 enters, and it's easy to close one and move only one break even for one of those. To take partials is different. Sometimes can take more time to take partials, and doing like that, you speed up the way you're doing it. Okay, booking more profits now. Money is on the table. I don't want to leave it there. The money, TP4s, and it's going to TP2 on the last one that we did. It's going to TP2 now. Please interact with me. I'm by myself here. If you want to be on the live with me, let me know. I can send you a link. And if you taking the profits, booking the profits, share with me. Don't leave me alone here. Ken is out now because he still have the contractors on his home for 8 weeks now. I think so. Another 2 weeks he will be fine. He will be out of it. But for now, it's a lot of noise on his house, especially now in the morning. They are doing a lot of things, and then it's distracting as well. That's why he was out. But as soon as the noise level on his house is down, he will be back with us here. Price is retracing. That's why it's important to book your profits. Okay, I will keep telling you that because it is, especially now we are doing that strategy, scalping in and out. I love it, but on the other hand, you need to protect yourself. Book your profits and move your stop loss as soon as you can. Stop loss is non-negotiable. As soon as you press the button to buy, you need to put your stop loss. Okay, as soon as you press buy or sell, your stop loss needs to be there. Then you have time to decide which TPs you want to take. And as soon as you are in good profits or nearby TP1, move your stop loss to break even. As you can see, if you refresh again, you have a strong buy. A strong buy again. You are on that range. And you are in profit. It's so nice to see days like that. We haven't been doing really well the past week. Some days will be not straightforward like that. TPs after TPs after TPs. You need to really take advantage of it and book your profits. Okay, as you can see, let me share again that Ian was with us. I don't know if he's still here, but 8:30 he was sharing that comment with us. He did his 2% and he's heading out. Thank you very much, Ian, for your resilience and trust. As you can see, we are on the right path. We are on the right path. We just need to keep pushing. Resilience is the key on that game. And I'm not telling you for nothing. I'm on that game for nearly 8 years, I think, if I put it all together. Of course, I had ups and downs, times that you want to throw everything out and don't keep pushing. But the mindset I built is to keep pushing and keep growing. I know where I want to be. I have my trading plan. I have my trading goal. And that is where you want to be, okay? Having your trading plan, having your trading goal, having your life goal that will motivate you, having your why you're doing that. I have a big why, and that's I keep pushing myself all the time. And you need to have that in order to motivate yourself, because will be some hard days as well. Some days you will make some mistakes. We are human beings, and you need to keep pushing, okay? The community will help you to have the right mindset, but it's on you. It's on yourself. Most of us, we have been there. If you are on that game for a long time, you lost money, you have been scammed. We have been there. That's why we are doing what we are doing. Really help. We not want to spend 4 hours with you here every day if you're not making anything, just us. The point of it is for help yourself. Okay, really take advantage of it and book your profits and grow your account. Okay, the price came to the back of that range. Didn't quite reach TP1. Yeah, TP1 now. Sometimes I'm talking to you, I forget to close my trades. I need to keep that open all the time. More money on the table. Don't leave that money there. Book your profits. As you can see, the time is flying. Another 5 minutes pass by. You book another profit. Let's refresh and see where the market is going. Oh, wow, that was really fast TPs. I just refresh and press the button with the another finger. I was with the finger on the buy already. Amazing. TP1, that's TP2 on the previous one. Price is moving fast now. Book your profits. Don't overthink, okay? Don't overthink, book your profits. That should be a risk-free for you now. If you press the button straight away, was not even look, I saw the percentage of the trading. I saw the percentage, I just press the button. And then you just close the profits and move your stop loss to break even. Some of those will be very fast, like that one, and some of them, well, you have plenty of time to place the trade. If it's very fast for you, the 5 minutes, start to refresh every 15 minutes. Okay, every 15 minutes, half an hour, you can try to refresh on that time frame. That will give you big range, and then you will have more time to place those trades if it's too fast for you on that way. Welcome back, Khan.
Thank you. We've got less noise for a little while now, so I can talk to you.
Yes.
No, brilliant.
Quite busy the morning on your house this morning.
We've got multi-trades in today, so we've got Sparkies in, we've got the bathroom guys in, we've got the decorators in, so there's out there mayhem at the moment. So hopefully the drilling won't happen now in the next 30 minutes, so we'll say. Look, that's all part and parcel of life. We've got many, many hats that we wear during any given day, or life's not one dimensional. We have to handle all those things, right? And life throws many, many things at us. So it is what it is. And as I was saying to Matthias and yourselves and some of you that are on regularly, I've been living on a building site for like 8 weeks now, and probably got another month to go before it kind of assembles some kind of, normality. And I've only really done half the house. So we've got the other half to do, which will be back end of the year upstairs. And then we move downstairs. But that's like I said, that's all part and parcel of life, isn't it? It's what you want to do, the lifestyle that you want. So morning, Ingrid, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Are you on a sell? She said at 9:13. So we run through the trades, Ingrid. If you join us regularly, you'll see what we do. We follow the trade cards, and we just run everybody through the process of whether it's a buy, sell, or neutral. And we do that. We only do 9 sessions a week, don't we, Matthias?
Yeah.
Yes. No opportunity at all to get any money done. How's it been today?
I update her on that one.
How did it today?
Amazing. We had only one stop loss until all morning, and we had plenty of TP5s on the beginning of the session. The first hour was smashing TP5s, TP4s.
Yeah, we did.
And now we coming on that range. It's not going to TP5s, but at least we're getting TP1s and TP2s. No stop loss, TP1s, TP2s, teaching everyone how to move your stop loss to break even as soon as you're in profit and book your profits. If you're doing that, you're making money.
Brilliant. That's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. Yeah. And that's what it's all about. It's a great end to the week in terms of where we are.
Neutral now for me. I'm not doing anything, just to update you. I'm sorry, Cam.
No, it's okay. Well, the beautiful thing what I found, Matthias, with the machine learning trade cards is, you generate them yourself. So you can trade at any point in 24 hours a day, or 23 hours when the market's open, 5 days a week. And I think the other thing for me is that the thing that I've learned from this, as opposed to a normal signal service, shall I say, not to take anything away from it, because we've had so much success with the team that generates signals for us, is that you can press the button and it will say neutral. Whether you want to take it or not is another. They still give you the probability of whether you can take that or not, and it's your decision because it's your business. But the beautiful thing is, it's a new one, isn't it? Because a signal provider will look at the opportunity, and as soon as that happens, they put the signal out, and that goes. But here, you're in control of it, aren't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because you've been doing this a lot longer than I have, in terms of when we were testing the system, see how it was. So I came into it a couple of weeks ago since we introduced it, right?
Yeah.
So my reflection on what's been going on is exactly that it's a game-changing way of trading.
It's a game-changing because you can trade it on your own. You don't need to wait for signals. We cannot call that signals. You can generate your trading cards. You're not waiting for that. Let's say you want to trade at night on the open of Asia session at 11 to 12 or 11 to 1. You can do that.
Yeah, I did Sunday night. First time I used the system, because I'm not used to it. I usually trade on my own.
You will have a busy day. Let's say you have a busy day and you don't have time to trade, and you can wake up early, 5 o'clock in the morning, start to trade for 1-2 hours, and then go and have your busy day. But then you trade for the day already.
Yeah,
you made your target or not, but you make some profits.
Yeah,
because the way we are doing, if you're not booking profits, And if you're not protecting your capital, you're reaching stop loss more often than us, you're doing something wrong. Then you need to analyze what you're doing wrong. Analyze if you want to change your approach for another time frame, or if you want to stick with 5 minutes, you need to be fast and you need to protect yourself. As soon as we are in profit, break even. As soon as TP1, book your profits. If you have 2 entries, you want to keep 1 entry to TP2, TP3, TP4, absolutely fine. Close your first entry at break even or TP1 and leave the another one at break even. And that's it.
Yes.
And you can do that. In 1 day, you can learn how to do that. You don't need 1 week, 1 month. You need 1 day.
Yes.
And you'll be able to use the software, and you'll be able to do everything with your fingers.
Yeah.
Okay. And like Khan is putting there, please ask me anything. That is the time for you to learn. That's the time for you to ask. We are here 2 hours. Some days we are here 4 hours a day. Just Friday, we are not on the afternoon session, but every day, 4 hours a day. Ask questions, interact with us. That will help you as well. Okay, don't be shy.
Yeah, it's your time. Take it. This is completely free coaching, and I don't think you'll get this anywhere else. So introduce yourself. Where are you watching from? What you're doing? How have you found these sessions? Yeah, Ian and Petra, absolutely brilliant. Thank you for the feedback. He's actually gone for the day. He's done 2%. He did 1.65% on the golf course yesterday with us. And this is what's going on. These are real people. Yeah. So interesting. Very, very interesting. I want to talk about unless you want to follow credit card at all, Mateus, or can I have a few minutes?
Yeah, you can have a few minutes.
What's it doing?
Just be mindful. It's changed the direction now. It's selling. Before was neutral. Now it's selling. Okay, check your trading cards, and then you can make your decision. It's not a strong sell. It's not a strong sell for me, but that easily will go to TP1, like we are seeing now. It's going to TP1 straight away.
Yeah. One of our team's message saying that they're really enjoying this morning. So you'll see it in the messages. It's really nice. So we have a whole team of people behind us, obviously help us with everything else, the tech and the algorithmic trading systems that we employ. Completely humanless. Everything's automated now. It's all machine learning. It's all AI generated. And that looks like that's where we're moving towards. But obviously there's a team of human beings behind it all. And so it's not just me and Mateus that think of like, right, let's plug this in. So a couple of them remember the message, because they do sometimes drop in and just watch for a few minutes. But
oh, we lost you, Khan. Is your camera playing around again?
I think he thought I was wrapping up for the morning or something. I have an AI-powered camera, a webcam. It is so smart. It's unreal. Only thing is, it turns off a bit too quick sometimes. Yeah, what I was talking about was Mateus, interrupt if you want to, if you get something that you want to talk about. But what I want to talk to you about is that, are you viewing this as a business? Okay, is it just trading for you, or are you thinking of this as a proper business? Is it something that you want to get into on a full-time basis and replace your income? So it's both harder and it's easier than you think. It's harder because it's change. It's something new that you have to learn. It's easier because you're no longer selling your time for money. Right? if you can scroll down to the comments, I'll put it up actually, because I don't know whether you can see them, and I'm not doing it to show off or anything like that. Because this is one of our clients, Petra. She's still probably on. Yeah, 5 TPs, great start. Okay, 5 TPs can be your daily profit, your weekly profit, or maybe 10 TPs you need, right? So that's your business plan, and I'm happy to work through those with you. And this gentleman Ian's posted that he's done 2% for the day. So 8:30 in the morning when he posted that. He loves golf. I know Ian very, very well. He's a dear friend, and then indeed he actually said it on the golf course, but still made 1.65% on the day. £200 at 2% a day will give you over £60,000 at the end of the year. Just think about that. All right. The average Briton's got about £500 in savings. And that's a reality of where we are. Right. And that £500 include all those people with millions and millions and millions of pounds in the bank. So the reality is everyday folk have no money in the bank. So if you carry on living as you're living now, spending what you're spending, instead of going out this weekend, stick £250 into a trading account, you can have 50k at the end of this year, or end of a year. Yeah, you won't quite have 25,000 at the end of this year because it compounds. But you could certainly have £10,000 by the end of the year. Well, what does that look like? What does that feel like? Yeah, all of a sudden when you got a little bit of financial security. So that's what we're trying to create. We're not trying to build traders. Trading is just a vehicle, right? It's my vehicle. It's Mateus's vehicle. Our systems are the business, right? Trading is just the track, the train, the transport from getting from A to B, from where we come from to where we want to get to. Nobody wants to trade. Who wants to be a trader or anything? Unless you want to be a footballer or a fireman or something like that, right? That's interesting, right? Most jobs are quite mundane and boring, and this one is no better, okay? But the fact is that you can start with nothing. You can start with £200, £250, and make yourself something. So what you do is you carry on your lifestyle. You don't spend any more money. You don't tell anybody. You pull down the trade card. You can watch these. These are all recorded, so you can watch all these. Right? So it doesn't have to be live. And you could be sitting there watching this at 10 o'clock at night. Well, you can't watch it at 10 o'clock at night because you can't trade at 10. But you could be sitting there at 8 o'clock this evening whilst the market's open. This will be just as relevant to you then, but you follow your own signals. You follow your own trade cards. Or you could wake up on Sunday night, 11 till 1, 11 till 12, you could trade. Right? So there is no excuse that you can't change your financial future using this system. And that's what we've put together here, right? So that's what we want to achieve for you guys is financial literacy, financial intelligence, learn about money. How does it work? They don't teach us that at school. They don't teach us that at school because they don't want us to know. Yeah, Carnegie and Rockefeller and all those people that literally built the modern world with their billions invented a system that would make their grandchildren richer, not you and me richer, right? The modern working day, the breakfast in the morning, yeah? Eat breakfast made by Kellogg's, one of Rockefeller's friends, go and work for Rockefeller and his friends, make them money. They used to give us subsidized meals at lunchtime, more nourishment for the workers, more work in the afternoon, right? And then they said, go to the pub on a Friday, owned by their mates, spend all the money so you're poor again, come back on Monday, absolutely penniless, right? That is the modern Western week, and we're still living it. And it just absolutely shocks me. So I came here when I was 10 years old. I couldn't speak a word of English. And some things used to make me laugh and other things just used to make me cry because there was so much racism. It was so blatant. It was in your face, literally. But because I couldn't speak the language, didn't mean I was stupid. And I was observing all the time, learning all the time. So I'm still like that. I'm still like that kid that came here when I was 10 years old. I see all the opportunities and I see everything that's going around me. And I think that's been a lot to do with, achieving the sort of success I've done. And that's really what I'm trying to instill into you guys, that come join us on this journey. Yeah, it'll be long, it'll be hard. There'll be days when you're pulling your hair out, thinking, what the hell am I doing here this for? But you know what? You got Matthias. He'll sort you out. Won't you, Matthias?
I will try to do my best to support you guys. And you have Khan. Mindset is everything, guys. Mindset on that game is everything.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
I was talking about resilience, about Ian today,
Yeah,
and about resilience. If you throw everything out and you don't keep pushing, and we have been ups and downs, that is the nature of any business, and you just need to be resilient. And if you have that resilience, discipline to be here all the time, discipline to press the button, because you will need to do the work. We can give you everything, but you need to do the work. If you don't want to do the work, then is another conversation that we need to have, is the algo trading, everything done for you. Okay,
but then you need money. You're not going to do that with £200.
algo trading is another conversation, because if you put on that,
Matthias, it's very simple, guys. I cannot BS you, and I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah,
you have to give up one thing. If you've got the money, you give that up and put it to work. If you haven't got the money, you don't have a choice. You have to put the time in.
Yeah, you cannot skip. That's 5 minutes a day, 1 hour a day. You're done. Amazing. Show me that. I will join you. If you have something like that, 5 minutes, 1 hour a day, and job done, I will be there with you. Khan and I
was watching something last night. I was watching, there's a program about David Beckham.
Yeah.
And I think it's Beckham in 10 Portraits, or something like this. And the thing that we picked up watching that last night is he's now officially a billionaire. Yeah. The first sports billionaire in this country that this country's produced.
Yeah.
Yeah. So all the 50 millions and the 100 millions these boxers get and all the rest of it, none of them come close to Beckham. Because he wasn't a footballer, he was a businessman. He became an icon.
Yeah.
Right? So it's not his football that's making him the billionaire.
The money.
Rio Ferdinand said he's earning 5 times as much money now. He lives in Dubai. I met him about a month ago, staying at the same hotel as me, except he was being paid to stay there and I was paying to stay there. That's a big difference. But he's working. Saturday morning, he's laying on fitness sessions on the beach. Yeah? So, and the thing that we picked up yesterday is they are working all the time. Yeah. When you watch the Graham Norton show, all those actors and entertainers are coming there to promote their stuff, their work. They're at work.
Yeah.
Right. Any interview that they're giving, they're at work. When they're on the red carpet, they're at work. When they're at Wimbledon, they're at work.
It's not
so
lucky.
This BS of this Lambo driving, bloody long-haired Yeti doing 2 days. It's a BS. The goddamn Lambo was rented out by the hour.
Yeah.
Right? The house is on Airbnb, rented out for a weekend. Probably shared with 50 of his mates to make content.
Yeah.
It's all BS. Don't buy into any of that shit. Right?
I understand social media. You need to be there, but you need to be real. And I don't buy all that things. And also, I don't believe in luck. I believe in hard work. If you put the things there, you will get back what you put there.
You make your luck, right?
Yeah, you make your luck. Especially us, we are immigrants. We really need to push hard to make our luck.
You guys are in a much better position than Matthias than me.
Yeah. A better start. But look, not getting there. But it's just, look, yesterday, what time we stopped talking yesterday? I think so was nearly 11 o'clock. We're still talking. We're still planning the business. With 7 o'clock this month, before 7 o'clock, I think so. I got one message from Cam. We need to do that, because we are in the business. We are preparing everything.
6:49. I think that voice note.
I'm sure you'll be up like 5 o'clock or before that, but it's what you put is what you get. Don't blame anything else.
I think you've got to find. I think you've got to find something you truly love, Matthias.
Yeah.
Right. I was so busy this morning, so I rarely stay in bed. So sometimes I'll go downstairs, grab a blanket because it's usually quite cool in the mornings. Make myself heat some water up. So first drink of the day is hot water. Yeah, absolutely, Ingrid. The harder and smarter you work, the luckier you become. My friend Stuart Clark used to say that all the time when we were IFAs. Oh, sorry, Petra, not Ingrid.
Yeah.
So I'm working in the morning on ideas for where we take the business and what we do. So this and this accompany me everywhere I go, right? And I feel naked without this, because if I'm going to sit down something, I'd rather do it here. So I'm working with AI now every single morning, every single afternoon, every minute I get, I'm working with AI to generate stuff that I want and help me work with where we want to go. And so I was so engrossed, Matthias, this morning that I was late. I turned up into my office this morning at 2 minutes to 8, right? I'm like, so like this morning, I'm like, God, the builders are coming, I opened the door, what the hell happened? But I was so engrossed in what I was doing. And I looked and it was like, here's my 20 to 8. And I'm like, shit. So I literally walked in with my cup of tea about 1 minute to 8 this morning. But the thing with that is that it's a case of, finding your passion in life, finding what you like doing, and then it doesn't feel like work anymore, right? And I think that's the key to what goes on in life. And that's where you need to be. I know a lot of people do very vital jobs, and they need to be on site, all the rest of it. But you've got a choice. You don't have to do that. If that's not your thing, then don't do it. But we certainly really, really enjoyed this week. We've got 5 minutes to go. We're going to wrap up. We're not going to bother taking any more trade cards or signals. That's your job. You've got the rest of the day. Just watch yourself. I would, if I'm inexperienced, I'd stop trading about 12:30 and I'd come back to it maybe about 2 o'clock when it's settled down. Nothing may happen, but we don't know that.
And remember, 1:30 NFP.
Yeah.
Is a big news. Scalping will be hard for you on that one. Just be mindful of that, okay? If you enter on the news, I don't recommend. If you see the guide, we have a guide before you start to trade. We have a guide on the VIP group. Read that guide and you will see about don't trade on the news, okay? Especially news like NFP. Just be mindful of that. If you want to trade on the news, completely up to you. You can press the button. You have the power, but stick with the strategy. As soon as you're in profit, could be 100 pips, 200 pips straight away, like that on NFP. If it's on your position, amazing, book your profits. But if it goes against you, you don't want to be on that position, okay?
I think one thing you have to be aware of now, regardless of whether you work trading with us or not, is that most brokers are using something called dynamic leveraging.
Yeah.
So high impact news like NFP, they will reduce the leverage or play around with the leverage that you've got on your accounts. So be careful, because the money you think you're making, you may not be making. The spreads go really, really wide. So the cost of doing business increases during these high levels, because they've got software now. Right? They couldn't do it before. They're implementing software. So this dynamic leveraging is a new thing now. So I was talking to one of my clients the other day. They were talking about, shall I reduce my leverage? Shall I do this? I said, listen, you don't need to do anything now, right? Because they will do it.
Yeah.
And by the way, it's for them to be make more money, not you. Right? They don't care about us. So don't think they're looking after us in any sense of the word. I don't understand why spreads have to go really, really wide at a high impact news or market close, market open, because they know when the market's closing at 10 o'clock, people want to close their trades. They know when the market opens, people want to open trades, right? So try and avoid those times. On a Wednesday, we found on our algo trading system, they charge triple the swap fees on a Wednesday night. Every single broker does it. I still haven't found the reason why they do it on a Wednesday night, but we learned the hard way. I think I'd made something like £130 on 2 trades. Yeah. And about £100 of that is in swap fees. It's ridiculous. It's a ridiculous amount of money. All right.
By the way, all the brokers are doing that. Don't think about, oh, that is our
No,
broker.
yeah,
all,
that.
all the brokers. And some of them, they are doing worse things.
Yeah. Well, the thing with that is there's probably only 5 or 6 brokers at the top of it all. They're all interlinked, aren't they? They're all owned by such and such and all the rest of it. So, but anyway, that's by the by. And I never want to get involved in that side of the business because that's just politicking, and that doesn't benefit us. We can't change anything. All we can show is you there's plenty of money to be made by following what we're doing. That's all you have to do, right? So Matthias, guys, Petra, Ingrid, Ian, anybody else say hello to us this morning?
Ingrid.
Yeah, I mentioned Ingrid. Thank you very much. I know all 3 of you personally. Thanks for joining us this week. Really appreciate it. We're here 8 o'clock on Monday morning for the London Open, and then we're back for the New York Open at 1 p.m. If you're not in our ecosystem, if you're not able to generate trade cards, Matthias, if you stick a number there, that QR code will get you into our Telegram community. If you want to join us, then just WhatsApp me on that number. It's very, very simple. All you have to remember is the 07940. Everybody can remember 100. Now, screenshot it now. And if you're interested in either the algo trading or the trade cards, then please reach out to us. And then just before you go, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It really helps us grow our channel. And it's the only thing we ask. It costs you absolutely nothing to do that. And you benefit because what will happen is, and if you turn on notifications, then every time we're live, you'll get a notification. And even if it's a reminder you don't want to join that day, doesn't matter, right? It'll bring you into the community and it will improve your trading. Whatever else happens, it will improve your trading. So that's all I've got to say. It's 10 o'clock. Matthias, you want to see us out? Right, guys? All the best. Thank you very much for joining us.
Let's go. Thank you very much. And see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye now.